Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I've been hearing and finding a whole bunch of complaints about the rear assembly on the KLX 250 having this rattle whenever you go down the trail. Now it's just the brake light hitting this plastic piece up here whenever you go over something. This whole section back here, zoom out, this whole section back here is going to rattle around. And you can hear that hitting up here. That's what's making the noise. So there's a few options you can do for this. You can either get like a block of foam. I don't know if you can see up in here. If you get a block of foam, maybe an inch or between a ½ inch and an inch, and you could shove that up in there, that would keep this plastic separated here without it rattling as you go down the trail. Now another option you can do, which a lot of guys do anyway, their trail riding, is to replace this whole rear fender with a narrower light set, brake light set and everything, and it will get you a nice sleek design. I think they look pretty good. So if you did change this out, you would go with a narrower fender set. It would also eliminate this whole fender here, and that would eliminate the noise as well. So I hope this helps someone. It's just a few options you can check out if you want to eliminate that rattle on your KLX. You could just try that foam block as a temporary solution and see if that does it for you. Otherwise, you could look into a whole rear fender set, or maybe something else will work. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.